Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I'm out here at Squirrel Park again, y'all. This time I'm out here with something different to fly. I'm out here to fly Heli. For those who are new to the channel, this Heli might look a little familiar. It's a replica of that little spy drone, the Army military helicopter. But this company, E110 made one, E110. This thing has altitude hold and a pretty awesome little flyer. So let's get this guy up in the air. Just want to have some fun with this guy flying around these trees and everything out here. So let's get it. So we're going on high speed. Let's see if we can take off with it. Auto takeoff function. I don't know why it's flying that way. Maybe the wind is blowing it that way. This thing has altitude hold and it has position hold too, so I don't know why it's not trying to hold position. Let's see, do I have to come down a little lower? It's still drifting like crazy, y'all. Okay, it's starting to lock in now, trying to slow down. Thing looks cool, doesn't it? I think I have it on high speed, but it's a little windy out here. Thing is pretty quiet too. When this thing gets a little far away, it's hard to really tell which way the tail is facing, because you can't really see the tail. Well, I know I can't. Got a little cat over here. Let's mess with the cat, y'all. Cat's looking like, what the heck is that? Mechanical bird, kitty. He's like, oh, I'm out of here. I done scared kitty off, trolled the kitty. I've been thinking about FPV in this thing. I know it already has FPV on it, but it's Wi-Fi FPV. I want to put some 5.8 gigahertz FPV on here so we won't have that latency or anything. And that'll be an interesting experience, to say the least, with this thing. It has the same controls as a drone, but it has a very different feel. It can get squirrely on you. this thing flies pretty long too, so I'm not gonna fly the entire battery out here now. I'm just gonna fly it for a little while. So let me do a couple speed passes with it. Had to remember the trees were behind me there. I love the way it sounds when I stop it, when I'm going forward and then I change directions. This sound right here. Let me try to do it over here. That right there. Oh, the trees. Nice calm little flight. I know it's flying fast, but it is calming. Just flying this little thing around. Whoa. Yeah, I can't really maneuver this thing around trees too crazy like I do the drones and all, because this guy has a tendency to climb. It climbs when you turn. Sometimes it's kind of unpredictable. So if I'm moving fast in one direction and then I change directions, sometimes it'll climb on me, then sometimes it'll descend. All depending on the turbulence, the air that's coming off of these props here on the top of the propellers, and the wind conditions. And this optic flow sensor doesn't seem like it's doing much of what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to keep this thing still, but this thing is drifting all over the place. Any stability that I'm giving to it as far as staying in one spot is from my own hands. The optical flow sensor doesn't seem like it's working well at all. It might have to be calibrated or something. I just bust this thing out and start flying it. That could very well be it, because it was drifting as soon as I took off with this thing. It probably just needs to be recalibrated. That's what I'm talking about there. A gust of wind came and I slowed down and this thing started to climb on me. Let's look at it. I'm gonna bring this thing in, y'all. Don't know how I can really land this thing. I'm gonna try to bring it in and grab it. Let's see if that'll work. The wind's pulling it away from me. Come here, come here. Can't get it, y'all. Let's see. try to grab it. Sheesh, I can't get the thing. Okay, I got it. Okay. The little drone plane, this military plane that's modeled after the spy plane from the military, the E110. Quick little park flight for it. Smash the like button, y'all. Thanks for watching.